I just finished watching Nothing's event, and to be honest, there was nothing new in it. So Nothing's The Truth event just got over, and here are the top 5 things that were discussed in that keynote. Number 1 is announcement of their smartphone. So yes, as we were always speculating, Nothing was actually working on a smartphone which will be called as Nothing Phone 1. In the keynote, they didn't show much about the smartphone. They just had showed a teaser which seemed like the backside of the smartphone. We don't know what it is going to be, but from the keynote presentation I saw, it is quite promising. They didn't share any spec sheet, nor they didn't share the design, but from what Carl is trying to say, I think it's going to be an impressive smartphone. It's going to give a tough competition to other smartphone manufacturers, especially Android smartphone manufacturers, and it's set to have 3 years of software OS upgrades and 4 years of security updates, which is pretty impressive given that we don't know on which price segment that smartphone is going to launch. Yes, it will have a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, as we can see from the partner list. They have partnered with Qualcomm, and not only that, it will have Nothing OS. Yes, it's not a separate operating system, although it's based on Android, and they shared many things about that operating system, the UI, how minimal it is, and what kind of apps will it have preloaded. And from the keynote, I understood that it will only have Google apps. So it is going to be like stock Android, but something like Oxygen OS, which was there before, which was there up till OnePlus Nord's launch. So Carl Pei, we all know, is a co-founder of OnePlus, and OnePlus was very much loved for his Oxygen OS experience. So I think Carl Pei will try to bring that same taste of Oxygen OS into this Nothing OS. So we can expect a good software, and it's very good to see that new brands popping up with good minimalistic products that don't have ads and bloatwares and stuff like that. So yeah, fingers crossed, waiting for Nothing Phone 1. Number 2 is partnerships. For any new company, having a strategic partnership will help you to scale up in the industry. So Nothing has announced partnership with 6 companies, one with Google, Qualcomm, Sony, and Samsung, and other 2 companies which I don't know about. But Google is probably for Android and its software support, and Qualcomm for its chipset support. But interestingly, Samsung and Sony has also joined hands with Nothing, and probably, if my speculation is correct, then Samsung will be the display vendors for Nothing and Sony will be the camera sensor vendors for Nothing, because Samsung is one of the biggest display manufacturers and one of the best too. So if Nothing is partnering with Samsung, then I think it's for the displays for the smartphone. And Sony, of course, they are one of the biggest vendors on camera sensors. Yes, Samsung also has sensors, but Sony sensors is preferred much because it's, I think, having a superior quality. So yeah, I think if my speculation is right, it will have a display from Samsung and a camera sensors from Sony, and if it's right, it's going to be really great, I promise. Number 3 is Nothing OS launcher. Yes, Nothing is going to launch its OS launcher separately for select Android smartphones, and I think this move is a really strategic move, because launching your operating system's launcher for other smartphones will give you a taste of how that operating system will be. And these days there are many people who actually buy smartphones based on the software experience. Many people buy Pixel because to have a good stock Android experience, or buy Moto to have the same stock Android experience. Many people actually bought OnePlus to have the Oxygen OS experience. Like me, I bought the OnePlus Nord to just feel how Oxygen OS will be to use. So likewise, there are many people who buy smartphones based on software experience, and Nothing, by launching its OS launcher to select smartphones, I think will give the end consumers a taste of how Nothing OS will be, and it might tempt them to buy the Nothing's smartphone. So I don't know how far it will convert them into customers, but I think this is a good strategic move. What do you guys think? Do you guys buy any smartphone based on the software experience? Comment your opinion in the comment section below. Number 4 is supply chain. For any new company, supply chain is very important, especially product driven companies, and I wasn't surprised when Nothing told that it cracked the supply chain, because you know who is the CEO, it's Carl Pei. When OnePlus came into India, it was very difficult for them to crack the supply chain, but they actually did it. They were present in markets like Asia and Europe. So I think for a person like Carl Pei, it's not very difficult to crack the supply chain, especially in markets like India. So he knows how the Indian market pulse works. So probably, the experience that he got from OnePlus is being used up in Nothing's supply chain, management. So yeah, it's a good thing to know. So we have to wait and watch until the launch of their smartphone, which is in this summer by May end or mid-May. let's see. Last but not the least, number 5 is building a solid ecosystem. Now this is the first time for me to see a CEO of a tech company appreciating another tech company, where these days competition is more and more. These guys, fight against each other on who will win on cameras or software or something like that. But here, Carl had a different approach on appreciating his competitor, which is Apple. Now, Carl was talking about how seamless the experience of Apple products in the Apple ecosystem, and his vision about nothing is also like Apple, to build a solid ecosystem of products. Now, in my opinion, I don't know how far it's going to happen, because the reason why Apple's software experience and the ecosystem is so seamless is because of the perfect combination of hardware and software. When it comes to nothing, they have chipset from Qualcomm, they have software from Android, and nothing in itself is a different brand. So I don't know how seamless their ecosystem experience will be, but it seems quite promising on how Carl Pei was talking about building a solid ecosystem. So let's wait and watch on how Nothing products will have a solid ecosystem. For now, Nothing Ear 1 is there and Nothing Phone 1 is in the pipeline. I don't know whether they are working on a Nothing smartwatch or another Nothing audio product, or some Bluetooth speaker or something. I don't know, but yeah, we have to wait and watch. Fingers crossed. If it's going to have a solid ecosystem, it has to first beat companies like MI, Samsung. So yeah, we have to wait and watch on how Nothing is going to beat its competitors and compete against Apple. So yeah, that's it. These are the 5 important things that were discussed in that keynote. And apart from that, they discussed about public investor program, and they discussed about the design of their software, the UI and all those stuff. So yeah, it was a short 27-minute keynote presentation. I didn't expect it's going to be that much short. I expected that they'll showcase some of their future products, but they actually teased it with just some lines. So yeah, I'm actually waiting on how Nothing is going to come up with its smartphone. Probably it'll be premium budget smartphone, something under $30,000 or $450. So probably it'll have a Snapdragon 870 or an 888, or it'll have a Snapdragon 778. We have to wait and watch. But from the keynote, it seems it's quite promising. Nothing OS will be obviously loved because it's going to have a stock Android kind of experience. It must have, because Oxygen OS now is out of town with Fun Touch OS. So yeah, I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I'm waiting eagerly for Nothing's product. So you guys tell your opinion about the keynote. Did I miss anything? If I missed anything, just comment down your opinion in the comment section below. As always, if you end up watching my content, a like to this video would be massively appreciated. And hey, if you want to watch videos that's related to tech and gaming, just click the subscribe button. It's simple. And if you want to get notified on the future content that I upload in this channel, just click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post any new videos. This is Arnav signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.